In the December issue of Pump Engineer, our cover story explores the many ways that Graphite Metallizing Corporation, or GMC, is dedicated to providing Graphalloi bushings and case rings for difficult pump applications. Self-lubricating, non-galling Graphalloi allows tighter running clearances, survival during run, dry, and flashing scenarios, and increased mean time between repairs. It is for these reasons that GMC has spent the last 100 years perfecting the engineering process of Graphalloi bushings and case rings. By working closely with customers to understand their needs and offering comprehensive services, the company has become widely reputed for its Graphalloi materials and engineering support. With over 150 different grades of Graphalloi available that can handle everything from water and light hydrocarbons to natural gas liquids and molten sulfur, GMC is continually transforming its operations by addressing the changing needs of its customers and expanding its product lines. Discover the many ways that Graphalloi and its engineers can solve your difficult pump problems in this article.